One of the most powerful and honestly most underrated improvements in Filmora 15, the upgraded multi-track editing workflow. If you've ever struggled with messy timelines, multiple layers, or syncing audio, this update is going to make your editing life much easier. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add audio and video tracks, organize and manage large timelines, merge multiple layers into one clean compound clip, opening the track manager. To begin, head down to the bottom left corner of your timeline and click the plus icon. From the menu, choose Open Track Manager. The Track Manager is essentially the control center for your entire timeline. This is where you decide how many video and audio tracks your project will use. Adding video and audio tracks. Inside the Track Manager, I'm going to start adding new tracks. You can add up to 99 video and audio tracks. Let's add few video tracks, and now we will add multiple audio tracks as well. But of course, you can create more tracks as your project needs. You can rearrange the placement of these tracks to better suit your workflow. Once you're happy with the setup, simply click OK. Filmora instantly updates your timeline and prepares all the newly added layers. You can adjust the track position onto the timeline. Filling the timeline with assets. Let's add different videos and assets on the tracks like footage, effects, stickers, and transitions, along with multiple audio tracks. Filmora keeps everything organized and responsive, even with a massive number of layers in use. Creating a compound clip. Now let's convert all the track and simplify them into a one clean clip. Select all clips across the timeline. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Enter a name for your compound clip. You can choose a different aspect ratio or choose a different resolution. Choose any specific settings you want and click OK. What Filmora does now is merge all those layers into one unified clip. This is incredibly useful because it cleans up your timeline without flattening or losing access to your original layers. Cleaning empty tracks. If you'd like to remove the unused tracks, Filmora makes that simple too. Click the plus icon again and choose Delete Empty Tracks. Instantly, all unused tracks are cleared, giving you a cleaner, more efficient workspace. And that's how you master multi-track editing in Filmora 15. Whether you're building complex visuals, stacking multiple audio layers, or organizing a massive project, Filmora gives you all the flexibility you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.